Hello, today I am going to teach you how to play the guitar number 2 part of Yesterday, the song by the Beatles, the one that we're going to be playing for Mother's Day. The first thing that you need to know is that this song is in 4x4. You start here, the first part ends in these two dots in here, but you have to repeat it twice. So when you get to this point, you have to go back to measure number 3 and start all over from that measure. Now, you are going to play the song at 80 beats per minute. It goes like this. Now, I'm gonna go slower in this time just to explain to you what you are going to be doing when you play. The first note that you have in here, it says 3, and you see that it has this little dot in here. That is because this is a quarter note a dotted quarter note. And so this note is worth 1.5 beats. And then this is the remaining half of the second beat. And then this is beat number 3 and 4, which is what do you say this? This is a half note, yes. So this motif, you repeat it 3 times. It's like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now, the notes or the fingers that you're going to be using is your ring finger in the 3rd fret of the 6th string, and then you're gonna play strings number 4, 3, and 2 open. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then you play, you move your hand towards the 2nd fret, and then you put your middle finger in the 6th string here. Then your ring finger goes in the 4th string 2nd fret, and your pinky finger in the 3rd string. And then you move your middle finger towards the 5th string 2nd fret, and your first finger goes in the 1st fret of the 3rd string, of the 4th string, sorry. And then your ring finger goes in the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So let me play this measure again. This measure. This one will have to be like this. 1, 2. And then open 6th string. Put your 2nd finger on the 4th string and play the 3rd and the 2nd string open. Moving on, we go here. Is the chord that you are making in here is the C major chord. And then the next one in here, this one, is the D major chord. The next one is the G major chord. Pam, pam. Sorry, it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You end up putting your 2nd finger in the 2nd string, no, in the 2nd fret, sorry, of the 6th string. So let me play from the beginning all the way here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Third measure. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Moving. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, let's move to measure number 8. Open, 6th string, 2 in the 4th string, 0 on the 2nd string, and then you form the A major chord, which is these 3 fingers. Finger number 1, 2, and 3. You put the number 1 in the 4th string, 2nd fret, 2, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3, 2nd string, 2nd fret. So it would have to be, this is this chord, the one that I'm playing right now is this one. So let me play this entire 8 measure. 0, 2, 0, A major chord. And then moving on to the measure number 9, you form the C major chord again, but you're only going to play strings number 5, 4, and 3. And then G major chord, but not all complete like this. You're just going to put your ring finger here and you're going to play 6th string and 4th and 3rd. Okay? Pa, pa, like that. And then you repeat all over again. So I'm going to try to play this time slower at 60 beats per minute. Okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Repeat in 3rd, 4, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3. C major chord. 1 and 2. D, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you play the first part of the song. Hope this tutorial is helpful and you accomplish playing this in the right way. Bye bye.